How's it going, everyone? This is Kienzan Art, and today I'm drawing Pain from the Naruto series. So this is the first Naruto piece on the channel. I wanted to switch it up. I mainly do Dragon Ball, or I have been doing Dragon Ball. Now I love different series. I love a plethora of different series, and I plan to bring more of these characters onto the channel. I say that like I'm gonna interview them or something. Bring him on the channel, you know, we're gonna chill. Yo, Naruto, how's Hinata doing? How are the kids? Goku, how's that hole in your chest from Moro? You know, you doing good, bro? Or what? Seriously though, this project, it took me a minute. Not because it was super hard, but I couldn't figure out what to do with it. My initial intention for this video and this drawing was simple. It was just going to be another speed paint video, yada yada, you know. But as it sat there, and that's one of the reasons that it wasn't done sooner, I couldn't figure out what to do with the background. So once I drew Pain and then I painted Pain, he just sat up against the wall waiting for me to figure out what to do with it. Then the longer he sat, then I started to form an idea of having a discussion with you guys, and then that discussion turned out to be a really deep discussion. And yeah, so then I had this discussion that I wanted to have with you guys, and then I had a picture, but I felt like the picture didn't really match what I was saying. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna talk the whole time. Wanted to touch on the background a bit because I place a lot of emphasis on the background within this image. I'm trying to really branch out with that aspect of an art piece. I've drawn plenty of characters, you know, with just nothing behind them. It's very bland. Then I started to add backgrounds just recently. I started doing a lot of practice, and now I love to do a background. And now it looks very strange if there's not one. And with this piece, I wasn't too sure what I wanted to do. And I did a few test pieces. At first I thought, you know, I want to do a stormy sky. So I was practicing your typical gray clouds and stuff like that, and then I was like, no, I'm not really feeling that, so I'm gonna try still a stormy sky, but I wanted to add some color to it, like a little bit of pink and gray. I attempted that, wasn't feeling that, so I scrapped that. Then I had the idea of rain, and then I was like, and I'm not a professional artist here, I'm still growing, and I was like, I don't really know how to produce that effect. And then I was like, what about water drops? Water drops would be pretty cool, you know? He paints from the Hidden Rain Village, rain, water, duh. I don't know, it'd be pretty cool. So then I had to YouTube how to paint water drops, realistic water drops. And for those that are interested, I will link the videos that I watched in the description, so you guys can check those out, so you guys can grow as well. Getting the realistic water drops, it wasn't as difficult as I thought it was going to be. I practiced one time, and then I had it, and I was able to, you know, do it on my actual piece. The other thing I struggled with was selecting the color. I thought, you know, I was still gonna do the gray. I was gonna do like a smoky like effect, and then I was gonna put the water drops onto like that effect. And I was like, no. Then I was like, I'm gonna do like a gradient. Then I was like, I'm gonna do red. I was like, no, I'm gonna do blue. I even asked my wife and my best friend and my mom what they thought, which one should I use, and they didn't get back to me in time. And you know, so then I had to just kind of make that decision, and obviously I chose red. Wow, this piece caused me a bit of discomfort, but when you're comfortable, you don't grow. Discomfort, pain, it's the same thing. Pain is necessary. Pain is a tool. So utilize it for your benefit. And that statement will lead us into our discussion next time. That's really all I have to say. It was a bit of a rant about my piece. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you enjoy the music. If you do like this video, if you have enjoyed it, hit that like button. If you've made it this far into the video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you want to see more content, be sure to subscribe and comment your thoughts down below. Until next time, guys.